Namaste everyone. Welcome to Mamta's Smart Moms YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to see a tasty spicy finger food that kids just love. Just easy to make with minimal ingredients. Shall we go? The items required would be young tender lady's fingers. I've taken quarter kilo, half a cup of thick curd, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 spoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, salt to taste, and about half a cup of oil to fry. I've washed and wipe dried the lady's fingers and slit them into about 1.5 inch pieces like so. You can make them thinner or thicker depending upon your taste and on the quality of the lady's fingers that you use. If they are too big, you can make them into quarters like this. You will need to marinate them in curd for about half an hour. So that will include in the preparation time. Now onto the chopped pieces, let's add some curd. This is just plain curd. It need not be sour curd, just an ordinary, and all the powders, the red chili powder, the dhania powder, coriander powder, and the salt to taste. If you wish, you might add a pinch of turmeric to it. Now mix well. Not a drop of water because the lady's fingers are already gooey inside, so do not add water at all, and see that your curd is also thick and not very runny because it will make the entire marinade very mushy. Now your marinade is ready. Now you need to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, I have heated oil in kadai. Not too much, about half a cup will do, just enough to soak the lady's fingers. We are going to shallow fry the lady's fingers. So you can now fry the lady's fingers in batches. They need not turn out to be too crisp like chips. Just 1 to 2 minutes in hot oil will do the trick. Now, because the curd is thick, you will get a nice aroma of melting butter, and you may also add chaat masala or garam masala according to the taste and increase or adjust the spiciness. Hope you enjoyed it. Do try it and let us know the feedback. Thank you.